Hello again everyone, welcome to our Forex Trading for Beginners tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to dive into the world of pips and pippets. These are essential concepts in Forex trading and we'll explain them in a way that's easy to understand. If you're ready to jump right in, please stay with me. First, let's talk about pips in Forex trading. In Forex, pip is short for percentage in points or price interest points. It's the smallest price move that a currency exchange rate can make based on the market convention. Pips are how we measure price changes in the Forex market. Now, for example, imagine you are looking at the Euro USD currency pair and it's trading at 1.2000. If it moves up to 1.2001, that's a 1 pip move. If it moves up to 1.2010, that's a 10 pip move. Pips are like the units we use to count how much a currency's value changes. Now let's talk about pippets. A pippet is like a tiny baby brother of a pip. It's the 5th decimal place in the exchange rate, often used by some brokers to offer more precision when trading. It's like a fraction of a pip. For example, if you are trading a Euro USD currency pair and it moves from 1.20000 to 1.20001, that's a 1 pipet move. It's like having a finer measurement scale for price changes, especially when you need more accuracy. Pips and pippets are fundamental because they help us understand the price movements, set profit targets, and manage risk. When you set a take profit or stop loss order in your trade, you are often doing it in terms of pips and pippets. Now, in summary, pips and pippets are like the units of measurements for price changes in the Forex market. Pips are the standard units and pippets are the smaller, more precise fraction of pips. Understanding these concepts is crucial for calculating potential profits and setting risk management strategies. Remember, these are the building blocks for understanding how prices move in the market. If you found this video very helpful and informative, please like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you won't miss any of our beginner-friendly Forex tutorials. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next. Have a good one. Bye.